What if I told you that drinking more water isn't always the fastest way to recover? It sounds backwards, but it's one of the biggest mistakes people make after exercise, working in the heat, or simply feeling exhausted. Your body may be crying out for something far more important than water alone. That's why some people still struggle with muscle cramps, low energy, and slow recovery even when they think they're doing everything right. Today, you'll discover 5 ordinary plants packed with the minerals your body depends on to bounce back naturally. One of them has even earned the nickname, nature's original recovery drink. But before we reveal it, you need to understand what your body is actually losing. So, what is your body actually missing? The answer is another bottle of water. It's the tiny minerals that allow water to do its job. They're called electrolytes, and every time you sweat, your body loses some of them. Minerals like potassium, magnesium, sodium, and calcium help regulate hydration, support muscle contractions, carry nerve signals, and keep your cells producing energy. When those levels begin to drop, your body lets you know. You may feel unusually tired, develop muscle cramps, struggle with brain fog, or find that recovery takes far longer than it should. Have you ever wondered why you can drink plenty of water and still feel drained? Tell me in the comments. Which do you notice most? Low energy, muscle cramps, or slow recovery? The answer might surprise you more than you think. Here's something most people never stop to think about. Sports drinks didn't invent electrolyte recovery. They simply package an idea that nature perfected long ago. Long before colorful bottles filled store shelves, people restored hydration and recovered from hard work with mineral-rich plants and whole foods. Today, organizations like the NIH and decades of sports nutrition research continue to show that electrolytes are essential for normal hydration, muscle function, nerve signaling, and energy production. That doesn't mean any single plant is a miracle cure. It means nature has been providing many of the same recovery minerals all along. And the first plant on this list has been helping people recover for thousands of years, long before anyone ever called them electrolytes. 1. The original sports drink. What if one of the best recovery drinks in the world has been growing on trees this whole time? Before sports drinks ever existed, people across tropical regions relied on coconut water to recover after long days of hard work in extreme heat. In fact, during World War II, there were rare emergency situations where it was reportedly used for short-term intravenous hydration when standard 4 fluids weren't available. So what makes it so special? Coconut water naturally provides potassium and magnesium, 2 key electrolytes that support hydration, muscle function, and recovery after sweating. Whether you've been exercising, working outdoors, or battling summer heat, it helps replenish what your body loses naturally. But if you think this is impressive, wait until you see the next plant, because chances are it's already sitting in your kitchen, and most people have no idea how powerful it really is. 2. The mineral powerhouse. Most people think spinach is famous because of its iron. But here's the surprise. That's not what makes it one of the best recovery foods. Its real strength lies in its impressive combination of potassium and magnesium, 2 electrolytes your muscles depend on after sweating or physical activity. Magnesium also plays a key role in helping your body produce ATP, the energy that powers every cell. An interesting detail many people don't know is that lightly cooking spinach can improve the availability of some of these minerals by reducing compounds that interfere with absorption. Added to soups, eggs, or smoothies, small changes can make a big difference over time. Be honest, how often do leafy greens appear on your plate each week? Because the next plant is even more surprising. Most people cut it off and throw it away without realizing they're wasting one of the richest natural sources of electrolytes. If you're still watching, you're exactly where you need to be, because the next 2 plants surprise us more than any others. One is usually thrown away before it's ever eaten, and the final plant has been helping people recover from heat and exhaustion for thousands of years. Don't miss them. 3. You're throwing away the best part. Every day, millions of people make the same mistake. They buy fresh beets, slice off the leafy tops, and throw them away without a second thought. But what if those greens are actually more valuable than the beet itself? Beet greens are naturally rich in potassium, magnesium, and calcium, 3 essential electrolytes that support hydration, muscle function, and recovery. Surprisingly, the greens can contain even more potassium than the root they're attached to. It's a perfect reminder that the most nutritious part of a plant isn't always the part we eat. instead of tossing them. Sauté the greens with olive oil and garlic, or stir them into soups, just as you would spinach. It's one small change that can add a surprising nutritional boost to your plate. But the next plant proves recovery isn't only about replacing minerals. It's also about giving your muscles the fuel they need to recharge. Number 4, the missing piece of recovery. Here's where many people get recovery wrong. Replacing electrolytes is important, but it's only half the equation. Have you ever wondered why you drink plenty of water, replace your minerals, and still wake up feeling sore or low on energy? That's because your muscles don't just need electrolytes. They also need fuel. Sweet potatoes naturally provide potassium along with complex carbohydrates that help restore glycogen, the stored energy your muscles burn during physical activity. For generations, they have been a staple food in places like Okinawa, where traditional diets have long been associated with healthy aging and sustained energy. Whether you enjoy them baked, roasted, or mashed, sweet potatoes make an excellent recovery meal after exercise or a physically demanding day. They don't just help replenish what you've lost. They help prepare your body for what's next. And now we come to the final plant, the one almost everyone recognizes, but very few people fully appreciate. 5. Why athletes still choose bananas. If expensive recovery supplements are so effective, why do so many elite athletes still reach for something as simple as a banana? The answer lies in what your body needs most after physical activity. Bananas naturally provide potassium, one of the key electrolytes lost through sweat, along with natural sugars that help replenish glycogen, the energy stored inside your muscles. That combination makes them one of the simplest and most practical recovery foods available. In fact, research has shown that bananas can support post-exercise recovery in ways comparable to some carbohydrate sports drinks, while also providing fiber and beneficial plant compounds. Long before modern sports nutrition existed, physically active cultures around the world relied on bananas as a dependable source of energy after demanding work. Sometimes, the most effective recovery foods aren't the newest or the most expensive. They're the ones nature perfected long ago. And that's the biggest lesson from today's video. Your body doesn't always need another supplement. Sometimes it simply needs the right foods. If there's one idea to take away from this video, it's this. Recovery isn't just about drinking more water or buying another supplement. It's about giving your body the right combination of fluids, electrolytes, and real foods that work together every day. That's why the healthiest recovery habits often begin in the kitchen, not the pharmacy. Small choices, like adding 1 or 2 of these plants to your meals, can support better hydration, steadier energy, and more effective recovery over time. Sometimes the biggest difference doesn't come from discovering something new. It comes from finally using what nature has provided all along. Imagine finishing a long workout or stepping inside after hours in the summer heat, and instead of feeling completely drained, your body begins to recover more smoothly. Your muscles feel less fatigued, your energy returns more steadily, and tomorrow doesn't feel as difficult as today. These plants won't transform your health overnight, but choosing them consistently can help your body recover the way it was naturally designed to. Which of these 5 plants is already part of your routine, and which one will you add first? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoy research-backed videos on plants, health, and creating a healthier home, consider subscribing, because in the next video, we'll uncover 5 everyday foods that may quietly drain your electrolytes without you even realizing it.